Hi everyone, Stephanie here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I can incorporate some of my bio hair into a hair topper. One of the comments that I've been getting from a lot of people is, oh, in the comment section, is to incorporate my bio hair. Now, I'm reluctant to do that, and the reason I'm reluctant to do that is because I really don't have a lot of bio hair up here. But I was playing around and I did find a way that I found two ways actually. So if you're like me and you have alopecia, and you don't have a lot of bio hair, there are two ways that you can do this. So let's do the first one. Now I'm using the Courtney topper. I'm using the Courtney topper because it's from Uniwigs, because it doesn't have a clip up front hair. If there's a clip up front, it would make this process harder. So I'm going to comb some bio hair forward, bio hair from the top. I'm just going to kind of put that in a little right there, because I'm going to try to use this hair to style it. Then we're going to put the topper on close to my natural hairline. I don't have a lot of bio hair, but if I take this bio hair and I comb it back, maybe play around with some of this hair as well. And then I'm just going to get a little bobby pin. Let's pull. There we go. Now, you can see it's not totally perfect, but what is nice about this is that when you're looking directly at me, you can see a natural hairline. So you can see all the baby hairs in here. So that's one way of just getting a little clump of bio hair. And then now we're going to try the second way. I'm back again, and this is another way of trying to style your bio hair with your topper when you have alopecia. Now, what I put in is I put in the Bumble & Bumble Tinted Dry Shampoo in the color Blondish. Now, as you can see here, what that's done is it's helped to disguise all of my scalp area. So now that it has the illusion that I have more hair. And if you want to see, I have a video that I'll link in the description so that you can see how I put this dry shampoo in my scalp. Now we're going to try to put this topper in again. So just going to push a little bit of this bio hair forward. Now we have now we have a little bit more of like a disguise because of the dry shampoo, giving me a little bit more volume in here. So we're just going to pull some more of it through. Try to line that up. There we go. There we go. So that's a way of incorporating some more bio hair so that we can have a little bit more of that natural hairline, while still getting all of that nice coverage from the topper. So these are two ways, one with the Bumble & Bumble dry shampoo, tinted dry shampoo spray, and one without. So you can see which one you think looks better. I think both can work, but the dry shampoo definitely adds a little bit more depth into the scalp. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.